Great success.
$12 a night? What?
Wait, signal, adjust, antennas.
Fairbairn. Welcome, maybe, to another episode. This is going to be an episode about a little bit of Emerald and a little bit of hip camp that's around there somewhere too. We've just driven through Blackwater, and in about 6 kilometres, there's some old cars on the side of the road we're going to stop and look at. Some old cars parked in a paddock just after Blackwater. Also, Blackwater is from a video game, Red Dead Redemption, so that's pretty impressive. Enjoy your book. All right, here we go. Ava, you're gonna come out and have a look. Oh.
I want unicorns. Unicorns are better than cars.
Well, I guess it's just me. That's insulting. If I had Caden here, Caden would have definitely came out and seen this with me. Anyway, check this out. They're running their own museum over here. I'll have to throw a gold coin in there or something. Oh, here we go. You got that one. Man, this is awesome. Reminds me a little bit of Rust Valley Restorations, a series on Netflix. It's pretty random, pretty funny. They're doing up some old junkers that they got in the yard and stuff. So they got this stuff and they do them up. But what reminded me of the most is right out the back there, up over the back, they've got like a whole field full of like cars that probably could get restored. I wouldn't mind checking those out. But anyway, we're gonna get back on the road. I'll see if I can show you a tiny bit. But you can see right out the back there was a few other cars that they've got, like a whole collection, whole field of just old cars. I don't know, it's exactly, this is where I want to live, right here. That's exactly what I'd want to have, just heaps of old cars sitting in the paddock, ripping parts off them for stuff. I don't know. Anyway, let's go get back in our home on wheels, head over to Emerald. We're at the showgrounds. We've pulled into Emerald. Here's a little bit of this random cake pavilion. Yum. There's a field, and just up there's a dump point, and that's where we're going to empty our poo-poos. Water there. Water. Are we going to fill up the water here too somewhere? There's Dwayne and Alicia pulling in. Go empty our poos together. We just had a quick look on Wiki of what to do around Emerald, and I don't know, besides like the main shopping centres, I didn't see like anything great to check out on there. So we're just heading down to where our hip camp is. There's a place called Fairbairn. What do you reckon, Danique?
I don't know.
Fairbairn. We're going to Fairbairn Dam Lookout. Don't really know what's there, but we're going to have a look there before we go back to our caravan park, because our caravan park that we're staying at, which is a hip camp, very, very close to there. So we'll check this out. We might even be able to leave the cars hooked up, so that could be pretty cool. And then if there's a river or something, hopefully we can check it out. Maybe have a big fire and a couple of bevos. Right? Jam! The big dam for the fam bam. Oh, this is a good lookout. I just drove up a dirt road. I was a bit worried about being able to turn around up here. But check this out. Oh, hang on. I should have turned the other way because we're going to smash that light again.
Oh, god damn it, Jordan.
I'll keep it about there. I think we'll be okay. Oh, I think we've just done okay in the fan band, damn. I can't stop. I'm having too much fun.
What, dude? Well, one of us is.
The fair band. We may as well send the drone up and show you a little bit more of this amazing footage from the top, even of the car. Look at this crazy place, yeah? Look at this. It's pretty beautiful down here. Where do I turn this dog around?
Brilliant.
This one here, it's all good.
Brilliant. That's brilliant.
That's all good. Look, we got a spot here. There we
What
go.
else?
Oh, we can turn around down there actually. Oh, we can turn around. Keep it there.
Okay.
We got this, Tanika.
Okay.
We'll turn around and we'll go back.
ExecutiveDecisions.com.
Lastminutechoices.com.
Right, carefully, we've got a water jug.
Alright, this is all for the drone shots, guys. You guys love it.
Weak signal adjust antennas. It's okay, we're coming back. Breathe. You're going to be just fine. Have you got record?
Alright, now you're going to press the red button to start recording. Alright.
Look at that. I'm flying the drone technically.
Tell us when you can see us so me and Ava can go crazy. Ready, Ava? Do rock and roll out the window.
Okay. Oh, there we are. We're on here now.
Do rock and roll, Ava, yeah!
That was
Oh my
us.
god, that was stupid.
Well, that was very well done. What a fun little time that was. Oh, I'll stop recording. Hold on.
That was great.
You got it.
Great success. There we go. Higher Ground, self-contained vehicles and pets welcomed.
Enter our own roof.
Hear that? Finish self-contained pets.
You're a self-contained pet.
Cute little farm. So let's see what we've got here. It could be a little bit of a random. We don't know.
We've been on a winning streak so far.
I know we've had some really, really good sights. Oh, this trip's been really great with the amount of flukes that we've got. Visitors, please check in at the house. Shall do that. Shall do.
This is Bella.
We're riding a buggy to our campsite, to our little site.
And it's just the girls because we're the best.
Just the girls, even Bella. We got Bella here.
Yeah. Say hi, Bella. It's so beautiful.
It's the lineup now. There's a whole hectic amount of cars now waiting.
Yeah, she's
Poor
like,
lady.
We should hang on.
Let's go, girlfriend. We got VIP. Yeah, the girls.
Yep. And the puppy.
And the puppy.
And she's a girl too.
Yeah, it's all the girls. It's a
All
girls
the
trip.
girls. It is. It is. It is.
Jordan's falling on. Round we go, finding a nice warm sunny spot with little to no wind. But hey, we'll manage.
okay, I'm starting to like this campsite.
Ew! I think we've hit another winner. We seem to be winning on a winning streak.
Filled with water.
Oh, beautiful. Look at this.
And
What a winner. Thank you so
you're
much.
welcome.
$12 a night. What? Are we winning again, bro?
This is the jackpot, this one.
Another one. I'm not even unhooking my car because I'm not an amateur. Nah, it's good. I'm glad you actually unhooked your car because you can drive us to the bottle soon.
Yeah.
This is alright. This is all good.
Horses are coming! Horses!
Yes, go and feed the horses, Evie.
Okay, wow. Wow. You are so beautiful. Gorgeous. Beautiful unicorn.
Alright, I've just come outside. I haven't helped Danica at all with this. Look at this. Oh my god, Alicia's just throwing it around like it's nothing.
Look at this glorious mess.
What have you made, Danica?
Stuffed dates.
We're doing a photo shoot at the
So
moment.
it's stuffed with goat cheese. And it's got rosemary, salt, prosciutto, and walnuts.
Wow. Wow. Okay.
And drizzled with honey. Oh.
What the hell are we going to be eating right now?
So I was worried about the burning underneath because it does just look like burning.
Yeah.
But it's caramelized and crunchy, sugary date in your mouth with goat's cheese and rosemary.
Oh my god. If you want to see how to make these, jump on our Instagram. Because Danica will post a whole recipe on how to make this.
Try.
Alright, let's go.
That's not aesthetically pleasing.
So it's this. And this.
It's all of it in your mouth hole, 1, 2, 3.
With that big piece of wood. Oh.
Mmm.
Holy crap, it's really good.
Fucking right.
That's pure happiness. Did Dwayne try one?
No, he's not a dirty person.
No, you don't need to be.
He's missing out because...
Yeah, that's so good. Everyone's happy we're doing dancing.
It's in my mouth hole is happy dance.
Okay, that's food time. Alright, the girls are doing some reading again. Yeah?
Yeah.
Don't stick your finger up, rude. Alright, so then I got the little noise making machine because we don't have an air blower. And we're wondering if this is going to work and start this fire because Danica's been trying to get started for an hour and she hasn't been able to.
Nope, I've not done that for
Tire.
No way.
She's got a flat tire.
Oh, no way. And I have this in my hand. Do we have a repair kit? That'd be awesome. Probably not. Alright, we found the hole in the tyre. We're going to repair it because Dwayne's got a puncture repair kit for a car.
Yeah,
We're smashing this.
this is how cool my dad got.
We are really cool, aren't we? Yeah, bang it on there, mate. Circle in the middle. I'll hold it on there real tight.
My tire popped.
Yeah, put it on there. The boys are over there doing some whip cracking and the horse heard it and was like, hell yeah, I want to get up in that. You must have used to be a cowboy horsey. Back from the bottle though. We've come down here. Dwayno's cutting us up a bit of firewood because they're running out. Fucking hell. They don't sell those at Ryobi. Do they, big dog? Don't have any Dwaynos down at Bunnings. You got this, mate. Take that down. We need some firewood.
Yeah, let's double.
Yeah, let's start with, and then we'll just get down on the bike and relax. Oh, they're doing it. Good job, kids.
What are we doing there, Jordan?
Well, the people next to us, they want to leave early in the morning, and they think they won't be able to get out. So we're just trying to see what we can do to move this fire pit that we. It's very heavy. The fire pit is very heavy.
What is the fire pit made of? What is it?
there, then we could just pull it with this.
I think that's a wheel off a train.
What about that hole? Can you go from there?
Yeah.
But will that take the bottom of it too?
That's how we do fires, and that's why we get those big branches because they're not here to F around. Yeah, I'm waving at her to make her wave. She loves it. We're hanging out by the fire. There's some foil. Danica's putting that tin foil hat on. She's scared of the 5G. Alicia's made us all some cones and not the normal naughty illegal ones.
Are you going to be able to get this out?
Huh? Yeah, I got some tongs somewhere.
That's such a good idea. You're just going to put it in.
Yeah, that's how you're supposed to do it.
That's a good idea.
Seeing those hot coals there, then you just leave it in there like a potato if you were baking potatoes.
Potatoes.
You have to
Taters.
for me, please.
Okay. Danica just put hers in the fire. Let's see how good it tastes. Danica, what have you done? Danica shoved hers straight in the fire to melt it all. Oh, it is melted up, isn't it?
Look at
That's
that.
melted up. Well done. Oh, wow. She doesn't give a stuff about nothing.
Oh my god. How many seconds did we do?
48.
Probably like a minute and a half to 2 minutes.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yum. Fire. Good morning. That was a nice little overnighter. We had a really good fire last night. We got on the Captain Morgan on the spiced rum. It was really nice, me and Dwayno. Dwayne's over here teaching Alicia how to hook up the caravan. It's her first time doing it. She's very successful. Dwayno, she doing all right, mate?
I'm going straight on there. Yeah, the girl.
4 out of 10. Let's head off. Let's get this setups on the road. Dwayne and Alicia's already left us again. Unbelievable how rude they are. What kind of a convoy is this, mate? Anyway, almost done. And that was this hip camp. You remember the name of it? Because I said it at the start, remember? No.
Alright, that's Higher Ground. Higher Ground all done. Thank you for watching that mini episode, perhaps. It's either a mini episode or it's going to be part of the last episode. Got no idea where to put all this stuff. It's like when we did Cape York.
Oh yeah.
And we had no idea where videos were going to end and start and all that stuff. So,
Well, you'll soon find out.
do you remember when we actually did Cape York, we did a intro and outro. We did like this big long movies of intros and outros.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, because we didn't know anything was going to start. So by the end of the gig, by the end of the Cape, we were just driving back and we had nothing to do. So I was like, well, let's do a bunch of intros and outros of whatever episodes.
Yeah, they were freaking fail and a half.
I used them all though.
Yeah, they were ridiculous.
If you go and watch our Cape episodes, all of those intros and outros are all in the one car trip with the same clothes on. All right, cheerio then.